Hello, in this C programming video, I am going to cover the while loop. So the while loop is pretty similar to the for loop. If you have not watched the previous video on for loops, highly recommend that you check that out and then come back. Yeah, you're back, fantastic. So while loop, really the main difference is a while loop. The only one part that it has is this condition. Any variable setup is done before the loop, and any code that is technically meant to be run at the end of each cycle is done at the within the loop itself. So if we wanted to put this as a while loop, what we would do is while, and we would put I less than 1,000, and I'll comment this out. I'm trying to think what was the toggle line comment was control/, and if we want to print that out, we'll put this. And for creating the variable, like I said, we just create it outside. Just put int I and assign it the value of 0. And this I++ has to be done, so we just do it at the end of the loop, like so. And if I just give this a quick clear, give it a run, you'll print out 0 to 1 to 1,000. So that's the difference between a for loop and a while loop. Where would you want to really use a while loop? So a while loop is useful if the variable that you're sort of checking in the while for the condition to see how long it's going to get run for, if it is going to get run, is already set up. And this is in games, what games have is what's called a game loop, and that basically has a very basic condition whilst game is running, whilst game is open, for example. So like if you close the window, the game is no longer open, no longer run this code. If the game is currently running, run the game code, and then when it hits the end, just get out of it as well. So that's for loops and while loops. If you have any questions, there's a link in the description to the Discord group. Feel free to post in one of the programming channels, and hopefully you've been enjoying the tips and tricks short videos I've been doing them daily. Look forward to them, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.